Shed's flooded. My sandbagging didn't really help. That's not really a sandbag, that's just some potting mix. It's the torrent running down. The veggie garden is going under. No, not the veggies. Chickens are down the back there. They're cooped up. So far, there's about a foot of water at the tree line coming up. And so the chickens, they're still in their perches. They're still above the water, but they'll have to swim for it soon. And the fruit and orchard, well, we're going to have a good citrus season this year, put it that way. It is hammering down. We're blocked in. Down there, the causeway, she's flooded, and back to town, she's flooded as well, so we're caught in the middle. G'day, I'm Mark from Self Sufficient Me, and this wasn't the video that I wanted to bring you guys this weekend, but unfortunately, due to the weather, I really had no choice. Let's get into it. I've got just a short reprieve as I look like a storm reporter walking towards the camera through the slushing mud. Just a short window to let you know what's been going on, which isn't a lot to be honest, except for a whole heap of rain. This last summer we've had a lot of rain. It's been practically raining at least once or twice a week for I reckon the last 6 months. And this last few days it's been absolutely pouring down, nuts bananas really. It's almost near impossible to produce a video when you've got this type of weather. You can't use your proper camera gear. At the moment I'm coming to you via my phone camera. That's about as good as we're going to get under these conditions. So this is very similar to 2011 when South East Queensland went through all those dramatic floods. We were pretty lucky then, and we're lucky now also, whereby we're on the top of a hill. And for those of you who have been watching my videos for quite a while, you don't really get the appreciation that our land actually slopes downwards. We're on a fairly decent slope all the way down to where our chickens are down the bottom there. And so this allows the water to not only drain off pretty quickly, it also gives us a buffer from when the creek lines around us swell. It takes a heck of a lot of rain to start to get us worried that we're going to be inundated. We're lucky people around our area had to be evacuated by the SES last night, so our thoughts go out to them. I wish them all the best for the cleanups and damage control and insurance claims and all that stuff that comes after. We've only had a bit of inundation in our shed, which is quite small in comparison to many other properties. We were a little worried about the water creeping up to the chickens. That would have meant that we were just going to evacuate the chickens and maybe put them in the shed or something and put them in high ground. That wasn't going to be a big issue. Thankfully the water didn't get up that high anyway. As far as the veggie patch goes, the water has been running through here and down the hill and has been, like I said, going through the shed and swimming around the veggie garden, but there wasn't really a chance that the water was going to come over the top of that. This extra rain, besides not being able to mow for weeks now, the soil and the grass has just been too heavy to be able to get a ride-on mower around. The fruit trees are doing really well, especially the citrus. As we're coming into our winter, that means that the citrus are starting to ripen, which means that they'll be ripening with a whole lot of water. They should be pumped and full of juice. The extra rain isn't going to hurt us much. You might be able to hear the thunder starting to come in the distance at the moment. It's just slightly raining. I dare say she'll be coming over and hammering down once again very soon. So I better cut this video short and just let you guys know that we're fine in case you were wondering. Hearts go out to those that are not fine, and I wish you all the best. Thanks a lot to everyone who was worrying and sending us messages. We're all good, and I will bring you a video next week, hopefully early, maybe before the weekend, my real video that I wanted to release or upload. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye for now.
Hey Skip. If it's flooded, forget it.